In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background image using Elementor. To follow along, make sure you're already logged into your WordPress dashboard and that Elementor is installed and active on your site. Once that's ready, start by opening the page whose background you want to change. In the WordPress dashboard, go to your pages list, hover over the page you want to edit, and click Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor where you can visually design your page. When the editor loads, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the Elementor icon there. Click on that icon to open the main Elementor panel. From the panel that appears, choose Site Settings. Site Settings is where you control global options that affect your entire website, rather than just one section or one page. In the Site Settings menu on the left sidebar, look for the background option and click it. This is where you define a default background for your site. You'll see options to choose a background type. Elementor usually offers classic or gradient here. For a simple image background, select classic. Once classic is selected, an image field will appear. Under image, look for the small plus icon or the button that says choose image and click it. This will open the WordPress media pop-up. Inside this pop-up, you have a few choices. You can insert an image from a URL, or you can use the media library. The media library is where all the images you've uploaded to your site are stored. You can also upload new files from your computer if you prefer. For this example, let's just pick something that's already in the media library. Click Media Library at the top. If it's not already selected, then choose the image you want to use as your background. After selecting the image, take a quick moment to make sure it looks right in the preview panel on the right side. When you're happy with your selection, click the Select button at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. The pop-up will close and you'll instantly see your new background image applied behind your content in the Elementor editor preview. If the image doesn't look quite right, you can adjust it further by tweaking the position, attachment, repeat, and size options under the background settings. This helps you control whether the image is fixed, covers the whole screen, or repeats. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, don't forget to save your changes. At the bottom of the left sidebar, click the Save Changes button. Your new background image is now applied, and visitors will see it live on your site.